welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys another Walgreens haul. I was so excited to finally do a second Walgreens haul. I think the last time I did a second Walgreens haul for the week was like back in August. And it's weird because their sales have not been the greatest for the last 4 months, and finally this is like the first week where it's actually a pretty good deal. Now there is a hot deal that's going on that you guys need to check it out. I see a lot of people grabbing one item, but there's actually multiple items that you guys can do this deal. So my store was sold out of the one, but little people know there's other deals that you guys can do. But yeah, so I did a couple different transactions, but I did complete everything together, and it ended up becoming an awesome money maker. So if you guys are interested in doing this, definitely go for it. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now I finally got my coupons. Yeah, this is how, if you guys need to do, I should show you guys how I organize my coupons. I've done an organized video, but I need to show you guys, like, I do a little spreadsheet. I do have the link below that you guys can print. I have a video that I made that you guys can actually print off and make your own checklist. And then I just keep all my coupons in here, and I write Walgreens on here. That's how I can tell what's what. So that's how, when I go places, I know what's what. So that's how I do it. I should probably make an updated video. But yes, I got a bunch of stuff. One thing I'm going to show you actually, guys, right now before I forget is the Scott's toilet paper. I wanted to do this deal on Sunday, but the store I went to was sold out, and I'm like, okay, I'll just try a different store. But the Scott's toilet paper, now this is still a good deal with the paper towels, just the toilet paper is only on Ibotta, and it is a limit of one. So what I say, go get it, let it reset, go get it, let it reset, go get it. So this is a deal that you guys can do all month long until those coupons expire. So these are $5. I know, $5. It's an okay price. But there is a 50-cent off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. So you guys want to use that $1 or 50-cent off coupon. Plus in the Walgreens booklet, that little booklet right there, there is a $1.25 off coupon that you guys can use. Now, you guys can combine the Walgreens booklets with the regular coupons. Not many people do know that, but you guys can do that. So you guys would end up paying $3.25 for this. But then there's a deal with Ibotta. There's a lot of Ibotta going on with Walgreens this week, and I'm pretty excited. The only thing is my Listerine did not reset, so I couldn't do that deal again, but I really wanted to. But with Ibotta, you guys will get $1 back, making this $2.25. So that's like pretty much like less than 50% off of that. So I think that is a pretty good deal. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. I have so much of this, it's ridiculous. So I'm starting to give it away to people that are my friends and family, because I'm like, I literally have enough paper products to last me 5 years if I didn't buy any for the rest of time. Sorry, my kid's like playing with toys, and it sounds like he's screaming, but he's playing. Okay, so the next deal I got is, well, I'll find it eventually. I did the Kleenex deal. Now these are Kleenex wet wipes. One of them, the orange one, is germ removal, and the other one is gentle clean. These are like basically kind of like baby wipes, but these are perfect for like the car. The only thing that sucks is where I live, it's super cold outside, so these will freeze, and then they turn into icicles, and it sucks. But if you guys ever need something like this, or if you have a big purse or something, go for it. But the Kleenex is buy one get one 50% off, and they're $1.99. So buy one $1.99, buy one get one 50% off. There, you guys want to print off two 50-cent off coupons. That is on Kleenex.com. You will have to sign up for an account with your email. So you guys want to print off two of those coupons. You guys would pay $1.98 for these, but then you guys can submit 50-cent rebate on Ibotta times 2. So if you guys want to do that deal, go for it. Ends up becoming 98 cents, or just about 49 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. So I had to share with you guys with that deal. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff to show you guys, but I'm trying to find the other box that I have, and I should have taken all this stuff out of the box before. Oh, it's right in front of my face. I'm an idiot. So I ended up doing the Advil deal. Now, here's the thing. Dime Tap is pretty much the same deal, but I don't have the Dime Tap in my Ibotta. I have the 8 ounce, but not the 4 ounce. So you guys, if you guys have the 4 ounce in your Ibotta, definitely do this deal. But I didn't do it because I didn't want to do the 8 ounce deal. So this is $5.99. Now this is the multi-symptom cold and flu. It took me forever to find it, but I finally found it. So these are $5.99. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. So you guys would pay $5.98 for these. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate times 2 on Ibotta. And there's a $3 rebate that's on Saving Star. Now, if you guys go to Saving Star right now and you see that they're not there, it's probably because they limit those. I have a lot of people like, I don't have those rebates. I don't have those rebates on Saving Star. I always tell everybody, Sunday morning when you wake up, you go straight to that Saving Star app and you add those to your list, because later that day they could be gone. So just give you guys a heads up. If you don't see them on Saving Star anymore, it's gone. Nothing I can do about it. But you guys want to submit $3 for Saving Star, and then you guys will also get 3,000 points for buying 2 of these. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So you guys want to know how much? This ends up becoming a $4.02 moneymaker. All right, that is an awesome deal, you guys. Making money off of medicine. Now there's only 10 tablets in here, but I'm like, for $4 you make money off of it. I'll take it. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. I got so many like little things, and I'm going to show you guys all the way to the end. Sorry. I ended up doing the Garnier Fructis deal. I love doing the Garnier Fructis deal, and I actually might go back later this week and do some more of these, because I think for this price it's a pretty good deal. These are 2 for $7. Okay, my store didn't have them marked, but they are 2 for $7. They're like redoing the whole shampoo aisle, and they never put the tags up. Not a big deal. But you guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in this past Sunday's paper. Plus you guys want to use the $1 off coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet, and it'll take $1 off how many items you buy. But please keep in mind that coupon is 1 per transaction. I've seen a couple people use the coupon, multiple or several coupons. Just do 1 per transaction. You know, kind of follow the rules by using the same transactions, then they won't be so picky on the limits. But if you guys need to do multiple transactions, if your store lets you do that, I don't care. But I just prefer if you could follow the rules at least in 1 transaction. But you guys will get these for $1 a piece. And I think for a shampoo and conditioner lately, $1 a piece is a pretty good deal. I mean, especially for being, these are originally $4 a piece and you get it for $1. Go for it. So I did that deal. I did 2 separate transactions. So pretty excited to do that. And I love Garnier. I love Garnier Fructis. I ended up doing the L'Oreal Leave deal. Now, these were, sorry, I'm just trying to get my act together to show you guys. Now, these were 2 for $8, okay? We have a 4 off of 2 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. Plus in the Walgreens booklet, there's a 2 off of 2 coupon that you guys want to use. And I totally did not, yeah, it's $2. Comes out to be $1 a piece, which is, again, a pretty good price. I used to do L'Oreal, but then I started doing Garnier. But right now I've been changing my shampoo a month. I rotate it, so I use a different brand every month. I feel like I know what I like and I know what I don't like. But I try to use, you know, a different shampoo. And then I'm going to start doing my empties videos again. So you guys will see that at the end of the month. So I did that again with the 2 separate transactions. So wanted to share with you guys with that. I do Not realize how much of these I got. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, I know you're like, stop talking and just show me what you bought. So I ended up doing the Crest deal. Now some of you guys are like, why didn't you do the 5 off of 3? Well, when I went to Walgreens, I didn't go and look at that coupon. I didn't know that coupon existed until I got home when you guys were saying it. So I ended up doing the Crest deal. Now each of these are $3.99. Now you could buy, I think you could buy 3 toothbrushes or 3 toothpaste or 3 mouthwash, whatever you guys like to do. I like to mix it up to share you guys different deals. But these are all $3.99. Now there's a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys want to clip to your card. Now that's a deal you can only do once. So you guys will end up paying $6.97, but then you guys will end up getting a $6 registry reward that you guys can use. So you guys use that. You guys will get these for 97 cents. That comes out to be just 33 cents a piece. Now if you already clipped that card and you want to do that deal again, you guys can use 3 coupons from the P&G. You guys would pay $8.97, but then you guys will get all 3 of them for $2.97 after the $6 registry reward. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do, but I wanted to share with you guys again. I love getting registry rewards. So there's that. I forgot to take this out of my total because usually when I buy stuff for Ben. Now I also did get a trolley. I got the gummies, but he took them out of my bag. But I ended up getting another one of these. You guys would pay $1.99, but then you guys will get $1.99 back in a registry reward, making them free. My son saw the kinetic sand and he wanted it, so I forgot to take that out of my total, but there's that. That's for him to play with. But on to the best freebies that I found. Now I ended up getting 4 different kinds of the Gillette shave cream. Now there's the little bottles that with the red cap. Those are $1.49. My store didn't have any of those, which was fine, but people didn't know. Yeah. People didn't know these, I think the green ones, yeah, the green ones are $1.99. $1.99. So this is still a pretty good deal. So you guys want to buy 2 green ones for $1.99 each. You guys would pay $3.98 for these, but then you guys will get 5,000 points. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So these come out to be a $1.02 moneymaker. $1.02. So if you guys really need to rack your points up, definitely do this Gillette deal. Now this used to count towards beauty, but I'm not sure if it counts towards beauty anymore. So my store had a ton of them, so I got a bunch. Pretty excited for that. So I got a ton of the green ones. The orange ones and the gels. Yeah, these were $2.99. Yeah, $2.99. So you guys could either do 2 of the gels or you could do 2 of those, but these were $2.99 a piece. Now this is not as great of a deal, but hey, it's still a pretty good deal if you guys really need some shaving cream. So $2.99, you guys buy 2 of them, you guys would pay $5.98, but then you guys will get 5,000 points, making them just 98 cents. So that comes out to be like 50 cents a piece. That's a pretty good deal, I think. If you guys have like those Catalina, if you guys have like that Spend 25 Catalina, buy a bunch of these. You guys will still get the points for the Catalina. Don't pay the points though. But then you guys will really rack up your points. So wanted to share with you guys on that, and I got a couple more of those. And then I thought I'm going to do this deal just in case. My stepdad likes using this kind of stuff, so I thought I'm going to get these for him. But I got the Gillette foamy. Now one's for sensitive skin and one's regular. So these were actually $3.29. So not the greatest deal again, but $3.29. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you guys would pay $6.58. You get those 5,000 points. Comes out to be $1.58 for both of those. So I ended up doing that deal twice. So I was pretty excited. I am like, you know, shaving cream wasted, but I'm pretty excited to have those. And if I ever want to donate to like a shelter, those are perfect to donate to a shelter. So my total out of my several transactions that I did came to $54.42. Now remember, I did not technically pay that much out of pocket. I did use points, so I did do a couple transactions, but $54.42. I ended up getting $55 just back in points. That's a lot from the razors, the Advil, the what else do I got? Yeah, the Gillette, and there was something else that I got points for, but I can't remember. So $55 worth of points. I also got $7.99 back in register rewards, so we got that going on. I will be getting $6 back with Ibotta. That's for the Kleenex, the Scott's toilet paper, and the Advil. And then I also will be getting $3 back for Saving Star for the Advil. So my total came to, I bet I can open that for you, $17.57 moneymaker. So I almost got $18.
My room's gonna be down here.
Your room's gonna be down here?
Yeah.
So yes, almost $18 back in a moneymaker. That is awesome. I haven't seen a good moneymaker like that from we're just opening the sand. I haven't had a good moneymaker like that since forever. So yeah, they've seen that, honey. He wants to show you guys his kinetic sand. Here, I'll open it for you.
What's right?
I don't know how to open it very well, baby. So it's just regular sand, but he likes it, so. Okay, go play with it upstairs. There you go, baby. So, yes, that was my haul. I was pretty excited. I'm going to try to go back and do some more L'Oreal and Garnier. I like to have a lot of shampoo and conditioner in my stockpile, because that's one thing that a lot of people ask for, and when I do my boxes and stuff, I always like to give them shampoo and conditioner, because that's the thing I know people need the most or use the most. So, again, thanks you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my second haul. And, oh, I forgot to mention, everything was 70% off for Christmas, and some stores have it for 50 and some stores have it 70 for toys. I looked at the toys, nothing that I really needed to buy. One store I went to 2 stores. One store had a ton of stuff, and another store had like hardly anything. But from rumor, and if you guys remember from what I said, I think 90% happens next week on the 16th. I'm not quite positive, so I'm going to wait till the 16th and look at that stuff. So if they have toys for 90% off, I'm definitely going to stock up on that. There's some baby stuff that I was looking at, and save stuff for like toys for tots or birthday parties that we'll be going to this year. So I wanted to share or check those out, but not getting anything for 70% off, not until I hit 90. That's because the 90 means it was meant for me to take it. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys later, and bye-bye.